Launching your first pump can feel overwhelming, so let's break down manual versus electric. A manual pump is operated by hand, using a lever to create suction. It's lightweight, quiet, and doesn't need batteries or an outlet, great for travel, occasional use, or as a backup. The trade-off is more time and physical effort, since you're powering it yourself. An electric pump uses a motor to create suction automatically. Double electric pumps let you pump both sides at once, cutting session time significantly. They're the better choice if you're building a stash, returning to work, or pumping several times a day. Some parents keep both, electric as their main pump, manual as a lightweight backup for travel or power outages. There's no universally better option. If you're only pumping occasionally, manual alone might be enough. If you're pumping daily or multiple times a day, electric will likely save you time and effort. Whatever you choose, proper flange fit matters more than the pump type itself. We'll cover that in another video.